Hello and welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today I'll tell you how to extend delivery time on AliExpress. So open AliExpress application on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right and go to My Orders section right here. And now we want to find an order that you want to extend the delivery time for, then tap on it to open its details, and now it should approximately look like this. So you have to find the button Extend Processing Time, or it can be named as Extend Delivery Time. Then you have to press it, and you will see a field where you can enter the number of days that you want to extend delivery time for, and the maximum time is 113 days. So enter it, submit it, and that's basically how we can extend delivery time on AliExpress. I hope that this video helps you. Please like if it helped you and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.